Think about this for a second. Have you ever found yourself upset all day because of what someone else had said about you? How often do you let anger and resentment stay with you instead of moving on? Now imagine this. What would it feel like if no one, and I mean absolutely no one, could ever disturb your peace? Picture yourself walking through life with calm, confidence, and unwavering composure. This isn't just a dream, it's a skill you can actually master. In this video, I'll show you how you can master this skill, step by step. This isn't just about controlling your emotions. This is about developing emotional strength so strong that nothing and no one is capable of breaking it. Let's get started. Section 1. Focus on what you can control, let go of what you can't. Anger has one root cause: trying to control what's beyond your control. People, their opinions, events, or circumstances. You feel frustrated when you expect others to act the way you believe they should. Chances are, they won't behave as you expect. They'll be impolite, uncaring, or inconsiderate. And the reality is, you have no control over that. What is within your control is how you react. In every scenario like this, you always face two options. Respond like most do, getting angry, blaming others, overreacting. Or choose to handle it like a pro, calm, steady, and unshakable. Winners focus their energy on what matters, not what they can't control. Section 2. Stay composed using the 5-second rule. The next time someone triggers you, choose not to react. Take a deep breath and count slowly to 5. Those 5 seconds are what set the ordinary apart from the extraordinary. In that moment, your mindset moves from reacting to responding. You transition from emotional chaos to focused composure. Pause and consider this. Should I even waste my energy on this? Is this contributing to my inner peace? Will this have any significance tomorrow? Chances are, it's not worth getting upset over. Later on, you will probably look back and laugh. So why let it affect you at this moment? This shows not weakness, but real inner strength. Section 3. Cultivate an unstoppable mindset. Nobody can disturb your peace unless you allow them to. You become unbothered the moment you stop giving others control over how you feel. Someone insulted you? Just let it go. That toxic energy and negativity? Shake it off. It's not your job to make everyone like you. You don't have to fight every battle that comes your way. Your journey is about growth, focus, and evolution. Forge a mindset so resilient that when others try to bring you down, they end up disrupting their own peace. You stand firm, as strong and unmovable as a mountain. Section 4. Develop unshakable confidence. Many people get upset easily because they tie their self-worth to other people's opinions. If you want to remain unbothered, there's one key: unshakable self-confidence. This confidence isn't built on compliments from others. It comes from a deep understanding of yourself. Focus on building validation that comes from yourself. Tell yourself, I accept who I am. My worth isn't up for discussion. No one can affect my peace unless I let them. The better you understand yourself, the less you rely on others' approval. Section 5. Your emotions don't define you. You experience anger, but anger is not who you are. You feel frustration, but that's not you as well. You are the mindful presence behind all these noises, being calm and focused while being firm and unshakable. So the next time strong emotions fire up inside you, take a moment and tell yourself, this isn't who I am, it's only a temporary feeling. Over time, it will fade away. But only if you don't feed it with attention. Don't react to it. Don't let it shape who you are. Emotions come and go. Your reactions and decisions determine what's next for you. Your future depends on how well you manage yourself now. Section 6. Prioritize peace instead of power. Silence can be stronger than a clap back. You don't have to win every argument. You don't need to always convince others you're correct. Because peace is the greatest form of power. Getting angry requires no effort at all. But staying calm requires true discipline. It's that discipline that makes you unshakable. While others may get lost in drama and outside noise, you stay focused on your vision. While others waste energy on meaningless battles, you're building a meaningful life. Always choose peace over conflict. You choose to walk away not because you're weak, but because you're strong internally. Bear this in mind. You are in charge of your mind. You are in charge of your energy. You are in charge of your peace. Master your mind, and nothing can disturb you. If this resonated with you, pass it on to someone who needs it. Subscribe for more life-changing mindset tips every week. Remember, true strength comes from staying calm. Stay resilient. Keep your focus.